Hello friends, welcome to Wonder to Whisk. So today we are going to take you through one of the dishes of the North Africans, which is called Shakshuka. The dish is really simple to make, so you can have it in any time of the day. Like you can have it either in the breakfast, lunch or dinner, it's up to you. And we are going to make it with bare minimum ingredients. Like we are taking just onion, tomato, eggs, garlic and bell pepper. That's all we are going to require in terms of vegetables and with some spices. So let's start with the chopping first. So here I am taking 4 cloves of the garlic, which we are going to just peel the cover and finely chopped. Here we are taking 1 onion and we have to finely chop it. You can cut your onions in your preferences, but here I am going to cut it very fine. So once we are finished with chopping our onions, then we can put the pan on the stove. Okay, so once we are good with onions and garlic, then it's time to put the pan. So here I am taking 1 pan, steel pan, and turn on the gas. Okay. So once our pan is heated up, then we are going to put some olive oil. Here I am taking olive oil, but you can take vegetable oil also if you don't like olive oil. Once our oil is heated up, then we are going to add the garlic. As soon as the garlic turns golden, then we are good to add chopped onions. So till the time the onions get roasted, we can cut the bell pepper. If you want, you can add other vegetables also, it's up to you. That's the beauty of this dish, is that there is no dependency on the number of vegetables you are going to use. It is completely dependent on you. And already there are so many versions of this dish available with different ingredients and with different ways of cooking. And you can use different colors of bell pepper also if you want to make it more colorful. Here I am just using 1 color. Okay. So once the onions are turned into golden brown, so then we can add the bell pepper. And we are going to roast it for like 5 to 7 minutes till the time it turns soft. Okay. If you want to use the tomatoes, then you can use, like you can chop them and add them. But if you are in a hurry and you want to make it quick, then you can use the canned tomatoes. Here I am using canned tomato which is already mashed and it is having a small pulp in it. So like it is not a complete curry of tomato but having a thickness. So let's open it. Okay, so now let's going to add just to clean the can. You can add little water in it and put it in the pan. Okay, so once it starts to form bubbles, like you can see here that some bubbles are going to come, then it's time to add some spices. So here I'm going to put some salt, and also I'm going to put some oregano. So here I'm going to add some chili and salt mix. Just fine crush it well. If you want, you can taste this is part of the curry if the salt is okay or not, and if you want to add some more spices, then it's up to you how you want to make it. Okay. So once the curry is like thick, it is not having a lot of water now, and you can taste it also if the salt is okay and the peppers are okay, spices are okay, then it's time to put the egg. So here I am taking the egg and putting it in the bowl. We don't have to spread the egg completely. We need to make sure that the egg is not spreaded completely. So we are going to make a small space, hollow space in our pan, and we are going to put the egg in between this. So that it will not spread. And we are just going to make a thick wall around it. Once we put all the eggs, then we will just cover it up from the top so that the eggs will cooked by the steam and the vapor, hot vapors, so it will cook from the top also. We don't have to cook the eggs completely. We'll just make sure that it will get cooked from the top and from the bottom, and let it rest for like 5 minutes. Okay, now to garnish our shakshuka, we are using some coriander leaves. I will fine chop them. Just to garnish, we are going to put some coriander leaves on top of it. Okay, so we need to have something crusty with this to go to eat. So here I'm taking a bread, which you can cut it in round shapes, in slices, and after that you can put it on the sides of your shakshuka, and you can have it with this. We can have it with bread, or if you want to go with something Indian, then you can have like a chapati, or you can have a crusty paratha with that. That will also go like this. You can cut it in slices. Okay, so now we are almost ready to go. Now it's ready. So this is very, first I'm taking some red part of it, putting it in the pan, and now I can take the white part and just put it very carefully. And now the bread. Now our dish is ready to eat.